Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox unblocked on a school Chromebook. Many schools implement network restrictions to ensure students focus on learning and to manage internet usage effectively. These blocks are usually put in place using advanced network filters and firewalls. It is important to remember that attempting to bypass these security measures might go against your school's acceptable use policy, so always proceed with caution and awareness of the rules. One common method to potentially access blocked content is by using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN works by encrypting all your internet traffic and then routing it through a server located elsewhere. This process effectively hides your online activity from your school's network filters, making it appear as though you are browsing from a different location. Be aware that while some VPNs are free, they might come with limitations like data caps or reduced speeds. Another approach involves using a proxy server. A proxy acts as an intermediary, sending your web requests through its own server before reaching the destination website. This can effectively mask your Chromebook's IP address and bypass the school's content filters, making it seem like the request is coming from the proxy server itself. While numerous free web proxies exist, their reliability and speed can vary significantly, so careful selection is key. Before trying any of these methods, it is absolutely crucial to review your school's acceptable use policy. Bypassing network restrictions might have consequences, potentially leading to disciplinary actions. Furthermore, when choosing any third-party tools like VPNs or proxies, always prioritize reputable services. This helps protect your personal data and ensures your online privacy, as some less trustworthy options could compromise your information. Stay safe and informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.